Which organ of the fish absorbs oxygen from water? Gills. Which organ of the fish absorbs oxygen from water? Gills. The fastest animal on land? Cheetah. The fastest animal on land is cheetah. The dash comes from the sea to the shore and digs sand to lay eggs. Sea turtle. Sea turtle comes from the sea to the shore and digs sand to lay eggs. Who wrote the Book of Indian Birds? Salim Ali. Salim Ali wrote the Book of Indian Birds. Dash can be used as a remedy for oil spills in oceans and for cleaning of obstructions in oil pipes. Superbugs. Superbugs can be used as a remedy for oil spills in oceans and for cleaning of obstructions in oil pipes. Dash is a flying mammal. Bat. Bat is a flying mammal. Superbugs are a kind of bacteria developed by a scientist, Anand Mohan Chakrabarti. Anand Mohan Chakrabarti developed superbugs. Dash is a universal solvent. Water. Water is a universal solvent. What is the pH value of pure water? 7. 7 is the pH value of pure water. Transformation of substances directly from solid state to gaseous form. Sublimation. Sublimation is the process by which the transformation of substances changes directly from solid state to gaseous form. Which is the major component present in air? Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major component present in air. What is the solute in soda water? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the solute in soda water. Voltage of cell 1.5 volt. Which fuel used in aircraft? Aviation fuel. Aviation fuel is used in aircraft. What is the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is the full form of LED. Who discovered nucleus? Rutherford. Rutherford discovered nucleus. Chemical name of plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is the chemical name of plaster of Paris. Which metal is used in the production of proteins? Potassium. Potassium is the metal which is used in the production of proteins. Which isotope of hydrogen do not have any neutrons? Protium. Protium is the isotope of hydrogen which do not have any neutron. Which country produces highest quantity of uranium? Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan produces highest quantity of uranium. Which element helps in flowering of plants? Phosphorus. Phosphorus helps in flowering of plants. Which metal is present in eggshell? Calcium. Calcium metal is present in eggshell. What is the reason behind the blackening of Taj Mahal? Acid rain. Acid rain is the reason behind the blackening of Taj Mahal. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. Which is known as the king of acids? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is known as the king of acids. The acid present in tamarind? Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind. Dash is used to determine the acidic or alkaline property of substance. pH scale. pH scale is used to determine the acidic or alkaline property of substance. Which lens is in the human eye? Convex lens. Convex lens is in the human eye. Which is the main circulatory fluid in our body? Blood. Blood is the main circulatory fluid in our body. Aquatic animals like fish excrete their waste in gaseous form as ammonia. Ammonia is the type of waste that is excreted by aquatic animals like fish. Products of a neutralization reaction are always salt and water. Salt and water are the products of a neutralization reaction. Which organ performs blood purification in the human body? Kidney. Kidney performs blood purification in the human body. In non-green plants and animals, their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic is the mode of nutrition in non-green plants and animals. Cooking utensils are made of metals because they are good conductors of heat. What disease is caused by vitamin B deficiency? Beriberi. Beriberi is the disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B. Ornithology is the scientific study of birds. The scientific study of birds is called ornithology. Which acid is present in lemons? Citric acid. Citric acid is present in lemons. By which process does the excess water in the plants get released? Transpiration. Transpiration is the process in which the excess water in plants gets released. What is the state of high blood pressure called? Hypertension. Hypertension is the state of high blood pressure. What is a healthy blood pressure limit? 120/80 millimeters of mercury. Morning dew is an example of which process of this water cycle? Condensation. The preserved remains of once living organisms are called fossils. Fossils are called the preserved remains of once living organisms. What is the main source of energy made through photosynthesis for plants? Glucose. Glucose is the main source of energy which is made through photosynthesis for plants. Dash is the measure of the moisture in the air. Humidity. Humidity is the measure of the moisture in the air. On which day the World Water Day is celebrated? 22nd March. The World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. Which is the gaseous form of water? Water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Which is the acid that our stomach releases? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is the acid that our stomach releases. Dash are the reproductive parts of a plant? Flowers. Flowers are the reproductive parts of a plant. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. In which type of change a new substance is formed? In chemical change. In chemical change, new substances are formed during a chemical reaction.